Now, what if we told you that we could get you a top floor condo unit, 2-bedroom plus a den, 2 full bathroom with an indoor parking space, in one of the most walkable locations in the city of Barrie for less than townhouse pricing?
I'd say sign me up. This may be the best possible downsizing option in the city of Barrie. All that and more on today's episode.
So well, today we're in North Barrie Crossings, which is one of my favorite locations up in the north end of Barrie, and it's only a 2-minute walk from our newest listing at the Junction condos. Now, what makes this so exceptional is the walkability. You hardly need a vehicle here. 2 minutes walk to simply every amenity you could ever imagine. Let's take date night for an example. Maybe you want to head out to one of the 10 main restaurants that are located here. Then you head over to the Cineplex to catch a flick. Maybe to Finn McCool's for a nightcap afterwards, or if you're not feeling a nightcap, you got the LCBO, grab a bottle of wine and head back home. It's simply as good as it gets.
Yeah, that's fantastic, Scotty. 10 restaurants, that's very cool. But you don't want to end up with a dad bod. But the good news is we've got LA Fitness right here and all your other daily essentials, including shopping, grocery, and pharmacy. And 2 minutes away, Little Lake, 400 access, and Barrie's RVH Hospital.
That's right, guys, it's all here, but we also got a spectacular suite. And today we want to show you exactly how close of a walk we are. Follow us. Welcome inside Suite 604. Now, what's going to strike you right away here is how spectacular this layout is. 1,080 square feet, 2-bedroom plus a den with 2 full baths. They've utilized every square inch to absolute perfection here. But it's not just the layout, the finish level's on point as well. Laminate flooring and tile throughout the entire suite. You've got this gorgeous upgraded kitchen, granite countertops, undermount sink, and a stainless steel appliance package. There's so much you're going to love here. Let's check out the rest.
Now guys, typically in condos, your bedroom spaces can be just a little on the tighter side, but that's not the case here at all. This primary suite features all kinds of room here, can accommodate a king-size bed, and over and above that, we've got a double closet and a spacious 3-piece ensuite with a glass walk-in shower.
Now, what I love about the Junction, guys, is the size of these balconies. The outdoor space is absolutely fantastic. Now, as we mentioned earlier, we're on the top floor here. So if you're a sun seeker or a stargazer, you're gonna absolutely love this space. With 180-degree views out over the city of Barrie, this is the ideal spot for the morning coffee or the evening cocktail. Now, what we can't emphasize enough about condo living is it's all about the lifestyle. Now, I personally think it's time for you to sit back, kick back, put your feet up, and let somebody else handle the snow removal and the grass cutting, because it's all covered.
Yeah, that's right, Scotty. But you know what else is covered? Your indoor parking spot, which is absolutely ideal for turning the deadbolt and heading down south on those winter months. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.